At our practice, we also see lots of patients that have lost their teeth for a long time and they're stuck with a denture inside their mouth. And that denture wobbles, they can't eat, they can't smile, they're really frustrated, they really want a solution. So if you're suffering from a denture that is wobbly inside your mouth and you cannot eat or you cannot drink, the solution for you is to place few implants inside your mouth and have either a fixed or removable appliance. There are a couple of advantages. Number one, the roof of the mouth that was all strapped with acrylic will no longer be there, which means you should be able to eat and taste your food better than if you're wearing a denture. And on the bottom dentures, with the solution of a full arch, this prosthesis is fixed on those implants. Therefore, you would be able to smile, chew, be happy, be with your family, eat anything that you want.